Hey guys, today let's learn how to upload a font onto Canva. So if you guys are wondering how to upload fonts on Canva, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step and if it is actually possible on the mobile version. So I want you to go ahead and tap on the plus icon right here, and I want you to tap on text. Now once you're already on this section, just tap on add your brand fonts, and if you do have a specific file to add on your fonts over here, just go ahead and add that file through here. As you see, I have already uploaded this font file on here. You can also tap on the plus icon if you want to go ahead and add your fonts through this section. And it's basically that easy, guys, to add your fonts on Canva. So let's do that one more time slowly if you didn't really catch on that. Go ahead and launch your preferred file on Canva. Tap on the plus icon, tap on the text tab, tap on add your brand fonts, tap on fonts over here, and then tap on the plus icon, tap on upload a font, choose your preferred font over on the plus icon right here over on your files app, and then you should have basically a font file ready to be uploaded on Canva. It should be a TTX file, an open typeface font file, and just go ahead and upload that file on here. And it's that easy, guys, to upload a font on Canva. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.